Let's do a small introduction on the current HSP fleet that I have. Even though I've had more, but I'm such an HSP fan. That's my Sylvia S13, BMW M here, a Brontosaurus brushed, a Brontosaurus Pro brushless, the fastest Bronto in Durban. Something unique I built here, a short course chuck, and this one here is an interesting one. See, it's not called HSP racing for nothing. We're literally racing these RC cars, and that's how I store my parts. Everything all categorized and packaged individually when needed. It's easily accessible. A lot of parts that are broken, I still keep that as a reminder. Some upgradable dips and shocks, everything what one would need. And then there's the work tool section there, some lifts, whatnot. Yeah, let's show you guys what's underneath here. Yeah, the Jeep will always be the first pride and joy build, and then was the E30 M3 that got sold. Then comes this 95% full aluminum HSP Flying Fish chassis, and then there's another HSP Flying Fish chassis, and there's the Brontosaurus brushed, and then there's the monster, the Brontosaurus Pro. We're running some good stuff in here. And then here is something that's built up for making my own 10 scale SCT. So this is a Brontosaurus chassis tub, the same as that, but with flying fish control arms, dog bones and links, and with the Brontosaurus suspension. So yeah, this is a nice short course truck. And then here, this is something made up of 3 HSP cars. It's a HSP Flying Fish 1 chassis, 216mm wheelbase, with HSP Brontosaurus control arms, links, dog bones for 260mm wheel width, and a HSP Cheetah shocks and aluminum shock mount and body post. So this is built up of a HSP 94123, 94111, 94107, and I've named it, or with Bob's help, the HSP Flying Cheetahsaurus. And yeah, that's why I love HSP. Very good RC car brand, parts availability, spares, everything easily accessible, and that's the joy of RC.